There is a secret graveyard inside the global financial system. It is filled with investments, accounts, and loopholes that made people millions overnight. Before the government stepped in, panicked, and made them completely illegal. If you try to buy them today, you face massive fines, asset seizure, or a one-way ticket to federal prison. But why were they banned? Was the government actually protecting you? Or were they protecting the traditional banking system from losing its monopoly? Today, we are looking at the most dangerous, chaotic, and completely outlawed financial products in history. Welcome back to the Hidden Ledger. Let's look at what they hid from us. And here's the thing nobody talks about. The people who designed these products weren't criminals. They were bankers, mathematicians, and MIT graduates. The line between genius and illegal is thinner than you think. Let's start with Hollywood's favorite illegal asset, bearer bonds. In the old days, if you bought a government or corporate bond, they didn't register your name in a computer database. They just handed you a physical piece of paper with coupons attached. The rule was simple. Whoever physically holds the paper owns the money. No questions asked. If you had a briefcase with $100 million in bearer bonds, you could walk into a bank in Switzerland, hand it over, and walk out with cash. No identity checks. Zero paper trail. Naturally, billionaires loved them for dodging taxes, and cartel bosses loved them for moving money across borders. It was literally untraceable paper gold. So, in 1982, the US government effectively banned the issuance of new bearer bonds to crush money laundering. Today, they are practically extinct. If you find one, clearing it requires passing through an absolute gauntlet of federal scrutiny. Next up is a financial product that was marketed as investing, but was actually just a digital casino rigged by the house. Binary options. The premise was simple. You look at a stock or currency, and you bet whether its price will go up or down in the next 60 seconds. If you're right, you make an 80% return. If you're wrong, you lose 100% of your money. It sounds like a fun, fast-paced trading game, right? Here's the catch. The platforms offering these options were often unregulated, offshore entities. Many of them actively manipulated the price feeds. You would watch your trade win until the very last millisecond, when the chart would mysteriously glitch, wiping out your account. And if you actually managed to win, good luck withdrawing your money. The platforms would just lock your account and vanish. Because it was absolute financial slaughter for retail investors, countries like the UK, the entire European Union, Australia, and Canada completely banned retail binary options. Now let's move into the Wild West of modern finance. Decentralized finance, or DeFi. Imagine walking into a bank and saying, I want to borrow $100 million. I have no collateral, no job, and no credit score. But I promise to pay it back in exactly 2 seconds. In the traditional world, security guards would throw you out. In crypto, this is called a flash loan, and it is completely real. A smart contract lends you millions of dollars, lets you use it to buy and sell assets on different exchanges to make a quick profit, and forces you to pay back the loan in the exact same blockchain transaction. If you can't pay it back within those few seconds, the whole transaction reverses like it never happened. It sounds like a harmless mathematical tool. But hackers turned it into a financial weapon. They used flash loans to instantly borrow hundreds of millions, artificially manipulate the price of a crypto token, drain liquidity pools, and walk away with pure profit, all in less than 6 seconds. While the code itself isn't illegal everywhere yet, regulators worldwide have banned traditional financial entities from touching these protocols, labeling them as systemic, untamable security risks. Everyone thinks Bitcoin is anonymous. It's not. It's pseudonymous. Every transaction is stamped onto a public ledger for the world to see. Enter privacy coins, like Monero. Monero uses advanced cryptography to hide the sender, hide the receiver, and hide the exact amount sent. It is a completely black box. If you own Monero, no government on Earth knows how much you have or where you are spending it. The traditional financial system absolutely hated this. They couldn't tax it, track it, or freeze it. So, governments around the world applied immense pressure to crypto exchanges. Today, major privacy coins are banned and delisted from almost every regulated platform in the US, Europe, Japan, and South Korea. They didn't ban the math, because you can't outlaw code, but they banned the off-ramps, ensuring you can never easily turn that private wealth into real-world cash. Every time a financial product gets too efficient at moving money outside the sight of the state, or every time a product is too good at separating ordinary people from their savings, the ban hammer comes down. Existing keep the line between a highly innovative financial asset and a banned illegal product is incredibly thin. And usually, it's decided by who controls the rules of the game. Think about that for a second. Bearer bonds were legal for decades. Then one law, 1 year, made them criminal instruments. Binary options were sold on mainstream platforms. One regulatory memo changed everything. Flash loans were praised as DeFi innovation in 2019. By 2021, they were being called weapons. The financial system doesn't ban things because they are evil. It bans things when they become competition. And the most dangerous thought you can carry out of this video is this. Right now, today, there are financial products being used by hedge funds and sovereign wealth desks that ordinary people have never heard of. Some of them will be celebrated as genius for the next decade. And some of them will be on a list just like this one, in a video just like this, 10 years from now. The question is never, is this legal? The question is always, who benefits when it stays legal, and who benefits when it gets banned? If you want to keep exploring the hidden financial gears, rules, and forbidden zones of the economic world, hit that subscribe button to The Hidden Ledger. We stay safely on this side of the law, but we always read the fine print. See you in the next breakdown, decided by who controls the rules of the game.